Hey, what's up? This is the last video in our cut series, so we're going to step things up a bit. We're going to add 16th note baby scratches to the previously studied material. You'll find a link to the sheet music and anything else mentioned in this video in the description below. If at any time you are confused, remember to check back to previous videos. Alright, let's get started and walk through the first rhythm. In the first measure, we are going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, then baby scratch 3 E and a 4 and. In the second measure, we are going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, then baby scratch 3 and 4 E and. The tempo is at 95 beats per minute. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's play that example again, but this time we're going to play the rhythm 2 times for a total of 4 measures. This time around also, let's concentrate on making sure that we're not rushing when we drop the record or coming in late after we cut. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. 1. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third rhythm. This time, in the first measure, we're going to baby scratch beat 1 and beat 2. Release on beat 3, cut on beat 4. For the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 1 and 2 E and a, release on beat 3, then cut on beat 4. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. 1. We're now going to take a look at the fourth example. In the first measure, we're going to baby scratch 1 and, release on beat 2, cut on beat 3, then baby scratch 4 E and a. For the second measure, we are going to baby scratch 1, 2, 3 and 4 E and a. We are going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. Now we're going to break down the fifth and final example. We're going to baby scratch 1 and, release on beat 2, cut on beat 3, then baby scratch 4 E and a. For the second measure, we are going to baby scratch 1, 2, 3 and 4 E and a. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. That's it for this cut series. For more detailed lessons, be sure to check out our premium videos at scratchingmadeeasy.com. Our Made Easy method takes all the mystery out of scratching. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Peace.